I'm going to show you how to build all three of these accessories that you see here that will work in any public toilet mock. And we're starting right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be building three accessories for a public toilet mock. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more tutorials and you want to see cool mocks and LEGO City updates, then make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Then you'll get notified about all of my latest videos. But without further ado, here's the starting instructions without commentary, because it's easier to follow without commentary, I've found. The first accessory we're going to be building is a toilet with toilet cubicle. This is a very simple toilet design. You can go even simpler if you want and just put two 1x2s on top of each other in front of a round plate, but this one has a proper cistern as well. There is the toilet cubicle. I chose yellow because it makes it, it's the ugliest colour that I could find to make it ugly like a public toilet should be. Well, I say should be, well, that's how they are. I mean, that's not necessarily a good thing, but I'm trying to keep this realistic, so that was the ugliest thing I could find. We're now going to move on to the urinal. I'm not sure if urinals look anything like that in America, but that's quite similar to what we have in Britain. But now we're going to take a minifigure and see if it measures up with that. So lower it by one instead. Once again, we're going to take a minifigure to measure that. And normally, when you're building things to be minifigure height, it's lower than you think. That's a mistake I made in many of my earlier mocks, was building things too high. Okay, you may notice a continuity error in this now from the start of the video, because I don't actually just build these from the ground up. I actually build them beforehand, then deconstruct them. Sometimes I forget. This doesn't normally happen though. If you did enjoy this tutorial, however, find it useful, then you can click this playlist here to find some more cool tutorials that you'll find useful and helpful. And with that being the case, it's the end of the video, so I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!